Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to Kim Health Channels today, and we just want to look into uh, what what it means when your heart uh, races mostly at night. And let me say about something because this is very worrying. Uh, when you are lying quietly at night and suddenly your heart starts racing and you always feel pounding inside chest. Sometimes you even wonder really, uh, what is happening with you. Sometimes you hold your breath slightly. The sound feels like a thunder, but the room is silent. This experience is very common, and many people secretly go through it, and it can be terrifying, truly. You feel fine during the day, but at night it changes. Your heart gets wild suddenly, and your mind starts panicking instantly. Because of that, let us just dive into the real uh, science behind this, or the reasons behind it. Because your heart normally keep rhythm. It beats through electrical impulses, and these impulses are brain coordinated signals, and they move throughout your heart chambers, the four chambers. But sometimes these signals sometimes may misfire, or sometimes they misfire unexpectedly, and that creates sudden fast beats. And sometimes we call it heart palpitation. Now the question is, why? Why do they happen? Why do these happen? And mostly not during the day, but at night. One major reason is stress. Stress affects your entire nervous system. When you are lying asleep, your brain uh, the day, repraise the day. Your adrenal glands releases adrenaline hormone. This hormone trigger fast heartbeat episodes when your brain is replaying the occurrence or the happening of the or during the day, and that's why it feel always sudden. Heartbeat episodes feel sudden. Something else that is affecting your heartbeat, and mostly at night, is caffeine. Too much caffeine during the day, especially before going to bed. This keeps your nervous system alert. Your heart stay overstimulated quietly, and you might not even notice until the rooms go silent. Then you hear your chest pounding. Next, we have something that I consistently say. When your body lacks enough fluids, your body becomes slightly thicker. Your blood becomes thicker. Your heart pushes harder naturally, and this makes beats feel more forceful and sometimes faster than normal because your heart is using more energy and power. It is stressing to push that blood into the blood vessels, and the feelings become noticeable at rest mostly. That's why you feel it at night. And now let's talk about hormones. During menopause or hormonal imbalances phases, because your body chemistry changes rapidly due to age or lifestyle. These changes activate stress pathways, causing sudden heart reaction, and you feel warmth, sweating, and palpitation, especially during the night. mostly during the quiet nighttime hours, and especially for ladies who are almost there or approaching, or they are already in that phase of menopause. Another common cause or reasons is when you have low sugar, or when your sugars goes uh, low. If you happen to skip or delay your meals, or maybe you are striving or starving your body, maybe uh, you want to keep weight, or you're watching your weight, your body glucose level sometimes drops sharply, and your brain triggers an emergency response. Mm? And at that point, you find that your body releases adrenaline. And when adrenaline is released, it is trying to compensate. Mm? And this increase heartbeat immediately during the night. And sometimes you wake up feeling very uneasy. Something else that is people don't know, something that is overlooked, it is the thyroid function. An overactive thyroid gland condition. Your thyroid functions. This speed metabolism and heart rhythm, even while resting or sleeping quietly. This condition is called hyperthyroidism, and it is common in both genders, male and female. Because your heartbeat feel fast, strong, and irregular when your thyroid is not functioning properly. Sometimes sleep disorders also play a role, especially one called the sleep apnea. Sleep apnea, where breathing stops repeatedly during the night, and oxygen levels drop in the blood, and your heart senses oxygen shortage instantly, and it start beating faster automatically. And this can happen many times during the night without even you realizing it. So if it has reached to a point that you feeling your heart thumping or beating, you need to recheck. You need to watch uh, your sleeping pattern. Sometimes certain medication cause this too. Drugs with stimulant, drugs that we normally use, decongestants, especially asthma or allergy medication. They stimulate your sympathetic nervous system, and that speed up heart rhythm. And you might notice uh, this lying when you're lying down, when everything else becomes quiet. You're going to notice this when you're under this the asthma drugs or medications, mostly the inhalers. Sometimes it may be electrolyte imbalance. That is another trigger for your night heartbeat. When potassium or magnesium are low, your heart's electrical activity changes its pattern, and this leads to skipped or fast beats, especially in your sleep, especially if you sweat heavily during the day, that is, or overuse of water pill regularly can cause this. Some cases are more serious medically than others, and a condition called heart arrhythmia form is more serious, and it is an emergency cases. It is an emergency case which need to be addressed as quickly as possible. What happens Heart's electrical system misfires suddenly, causing chaotic rhythm and palpitations in your heart. And this can be brief or prolonged. Sometimes it is harmless, go on its own. Other are dangerous. That's why you feel like, or you hear people, they died of cardiac arrest, something of sort. The truth is very clear. Your heart reacts to body signals and it never acts without a reason. So when it beats faster, something inside is influencing it. Something might or something actually is triggering this, whether hormone, oxygen, or nerves. Each has its own scientific explanation. As a medic, I have observed this in patients, young and elderly alike. They often reveal hidden imbalances, eh, imbalances early, and understanding this pattern help prevention and ease the treatment. Your heart speaks through breathing changes, and the science explains every message clearly, precisely. So the next time it happens, remember it is your body communicating through signal most people overlook, and behind every fast heartbeat, there is a reason science can trace. Here, to make medicine simple, Kim Health is here to make your medicine simple, helping you to understand your body and decode silent messages within your bodily system. So stay informed, stay curious, stay safe always. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, sharing, and giving this video a thumb up. Otherwise, stay healthy, stay tuned, and be blessed.